Today we're making sweet, juicy pear pudding. Tools and equipment: we have our electric blender, a bowl and a spatula, our natural live cultured yogurt, an egg and some flour and lactose-free milk, rolled oats, coconut oil and our baking powder, natural honey, softened butter, our pastry brush and a wooden skewer for testing. It's a little chilly today, so Roland's dressed in his warm fluffy lamb outfit. Roland's ready to go, so let's get started. Add flour, oats, baking powder to the bowl and mix together. How are we doing, Roland? All good? Now let's add the egg, honey and coconut oil and mix together with our blender. Eggs contain essential fatty acids and are one of the cheapest sources of high quality protein you can buy. Whole wheat flour adds protein, fibre, vitamins E and B, and in moderate doses is fine for your dog. Natural live cultured yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, protein, vitamins and enzymes. Oats are a great source of calcium, iron and zinc. Coconut oil has lots of health benefits. It's a digestive aid, great for metabolism, skin and fur. Blend until the pudding batter is lump-free and is a nice creamy consistency. Grease the pudding bowl with the softened butter. Line the bowl with fresh, juicy slices of pear. Pour the batter into the dish until it's 3/4 full. Bake in a moderate oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Test with a wooden skewer, it should come out clean and dry. Check this out, Roland. This perfectly precious pear pudding can be served cold or slightly warm on a cool day. Serve with a dollop of yogurt for extra nutrition. Roland takes his job as taste tester very seriously. Remember, this is a treat food, so for a small dog like Roland, he has a small slice and the rest gets refrigerated and frozen for another day. And now it's playtime for Roland. Thanks for watching our channel today. If you liked it, please subscribe, share with other dog-loving friends and give us a big thumbs up like on the Facebook site. We'd love to get your comments, and from the Cooking for Dog kitchen, Roland and I wish you bon appetit.